Tonight we're gonna make the Queen's Park Super Cocktail. This is from the Long Bar with a Brass Rail. That's the name of the place. The Long Bar with the Brass Rail. From the Queen's Park Hotel in Port of Spain, Trinidad. Trinidad. Okay, the way that we have this cocktail is that in 1932, the British travel writer Owen Rudder coaxed this cocktail recipe out of the hotel bartender and published it in his book, Crab No Walk, A Traveler in the West Indies. What kind of name is that title?
I have no idea.
Regardless, tonight we make that cocktail. Welcome to Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Great to have you here in Trinidad. Welcome to well, it's the breezeway. It's just the breezeway. But we're gonna make a cocktail from Trinidad called what was this thing called? Queen's Park Super Cocktail. I cannot remember Queen's Park Super Cocktail. So let's start this drink. It is a up cocktail served in like a daiquiri glass. So I'm curious about this drink. Looking at the ingredients, who knows how this will be. It was enough for somebody to try to coax this drink out of the bartender in 1932, but their tastes in 1932 were much different than today, especially when I'm looking at the Sweet Vermouth and bitters and Angostura rum. So let's see what happens. And at the end of this video, we're gonna let you know if I order this in a bar in Trinidad, would I order it again? Okay, we're gonna start with half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of red or sweet vermouth. Ooh, that's too much vermouth, dude. Ooh. It's got its place. Like everything's got its place. It might not smell great by itself, but it'll find its spot in the drink. I just don't want to put too much vermouth in this thing.
For the rats.
For the rats. Okay, we're gonna do half an ounce of grenadine. I do not know about these ingredients together. Grenadine, vermouth, bitters, and we are going to do 4 dashes of Angostura Bitters. And because we are in Trinidad, we're gonna use a Trinidadian rum, like Angostura, from Trinidad and Tobago. It's like from that Beach Boys song, Tobago, Nabago.
Baby, I wanna go.
Yeah, was it in that song?
Yeah, I'm sure, yeah.
Okay. I almost never use Trinidadian rum. I almost never use Angostura rum, but it has something really interesting on the nose. It's very sweet. You get like cocoa and vanilla. It's really good. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of this. And we're gonna see how coconut and vanilla mixes with vermouth. Weird. So we're gonna shake this with ice cubes. And the reason why we're not using pebble ice is we don't want too much dilution with this. Okay. Tins are frosty and cold. And we are going to double strain into the most beautiful coupe of all time. Ooh, look at the color. Beautiful, kind of rose colored. Wow, that's it? This is a big coupe, so maybe this could be a double, but damn, dude, look at that. Should we make it a double? Make it a double, Sam.
Yeah.
So this is a double. Wait, what's it called? Do you remember the name of this?
I do. The Queen's Park Super Cocktail.
The Queen's Park Super Cocktail. A double. So it fills up this giant coupe that I got from Kelly Merrill's wedding. Thank you, Kelly. Okay, so here it is, the moment of truth. A cocktail from the 1930s. The Queen's, what the hell is this thing called?
The Queen's Park
Super
Cocktail.
Cocktail. The Queen's Park Super Cocktail. I keep forgetting the name, but let's try it. Oh, dude, I don't know if I can pick it up. I might have to slurp it on the table. Oh, okay. The Sweet Vermouth definitely takes it to like a martini place, kinda? No, is it a martini? I don't know. It's like sweet. It's like berry, kind of berry flavored. Do I like it? I kind of don't know. There's only one way to find out if this is a good drink or not. And that is to bring in the dude with the most excellent palate of cocktail tasting that I know. That is Editor Jared. And at the end of this, we're gonna find out if I order this in a bar, if Editor Jared ordered this in a bar, would we order it again?
Hey!
Oh my God, the thing.
Sorry.
You hit the fish.
I did. I got really excited about this drink.
What's the super cocktail?
Yeah. How is this a tiki drink? This does not sound like a tiki drink, and I feel like it doesn't have, other than rum, I don't know, it's just like the Queen's Park super cocktail does not sound tiki to me, personally.
Well, it's from Tobago,
Oh, okay, Tobago.
which is a tropical land.
Tropical. There we go. There's the tiki.
But then also, it's also from the place that the swizzle was from, I think, the Queen's
Oh.
Park Swizzle. So it's related to the Queen's Park Swizzle.
All right.
They're friends.
Okay.
Maybe cousins.
I feel like the dude who made this, like, made it up when he was like the name and everything. Like the person was trying to coax it out of him.
Oh.
He's like, "What's the name of it?" He's like, Queen's Park Super Cocktail. And the guy's like, "Yeah, sounds good."
Yeah, I think that's probably what happened.
All right, going in.
Okay, so the question's gonna be, if you ordered this at the long bar with the brass rail at the Queen's Park Hotel in Tobago,
Okay.
would you order it again?
That's not bad. That's not bad at all. It's smooth.
It's smooth.
It's smoother than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
And I thought it was gonna have more of a bite to it. It starts coming on, but then it like backs off. It's good.
Do you get the berry flavors?
Yes, it's very full.
It's kind of really good.
Yeah, like this is kind of a dessert cocktail,
Okay.
you know?
If you were in the breezeway, would you order it again?
Here?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I want something more tiki.
If you were sitting in the Queen's Park Hotel in Tobago and there's monkeys
Yeah.
in the hotel that you're in,
Yes, definitely. I go like this. I go, "My good man, can I get a Queen's Park super cocktail over here?"
another 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One for each hand, and one for my friend here.
And then they'd be served by monkeys. Like,
Yeah. I don't know why I'd be talking like
I
that.
don't know. But it seems like that's what would happen at the Queen's Park Hotel.
Yeah. I don't know if I
gotta
got
look-
the monkey with that.
I know. A monkey would probably spill the shit all over the place.
Yeah.
We gotta look up the Queen's Park Hotel. Maybe it's
Yeah.
not what we're thinking it is.
We think monkeys are on staff.
But also it feels like it just feels like might be like some big colonial like estate.
Would you order this again?
There I would.
Yeah.
I don't know if I would like reach for this if I were making cocktails here at home.
Yeah.
Also, this would probably be great with a maraschino
Yes.
thing.
Yes, it would.
What are they
be.
called?
Maraschino cherry? Luxardo cherry.
Oh, better.
Luxardo cherry, when you do the thing, when you stab it and put it on the thing.
Oh.
Oh. Maybe a couple, maybe 3.
Oh, 3?
Well,
What are
that's
you, a
very-
millionaire?
I
You
know
know
it's
what those
very,
cost?
I don't know, just it would go well with the color and everything like
Yeah,
that.
it would.
Gee, I wish someone had Luxardo cherries.
Wait, are they inside?
Yeah, they're on the counter. I think. See what I did there? Let me give one more little sip of the do here. That's good. If you have all these things, I recommend making it home. Leave something in the comments below. Say, hey, I like it too. And just say the name. The name's just fun to say. I don't know what he's doing in there. Oh, you've put them on. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh, that's a lot of cherries.
Dude, this is the super cocktail.
Dude, yes.
Super cocktail
Yes.
gets a whole skewer of the most expensive cherries that they make.
Because it's a super cocktail. This is what it should have.
I got that shit all over my hands. Dude,
That's awesome.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's actually like I need to take a picture of it.
Yeah.
See this photo on Instagram at the Hula Girls? Just in garnish alone, this is probably an extra like $75, $17.
It's worth it. When you were inside, I was telling everybody that they should make this at home if they have these things.
Yeah, well, it's
think it's
pretty common stuff. The only weird thing is kind of the Angostura rum and Sweet Vermouth, but
But I mean,
otherwise,
you could use another rum if you wanted to.
no.
The Caribbean?
No.
Is it Caribbean or Caribbean?
It doesn't matter. You
Okay.
can't. You got to use Tobago.
All right. Like
It's it's so radically different than any other rums,
okay.
in my humble opinion.
All right. Can I tell a joke real quick?
Sure.
Pirate walks into a bar.
Okay.
Bartender says, Captain Morgan? He says, no, my name's Jim, but I get that a lot. Thank you. Good night. Mention another video. You gotta do that.
Oh yeah. If you enjoyed this, if you liked his joke, hit the subscribe button and click on this thing. YouTube thinks you'll like that one.
My good man, another Queen's Park super cocktail over here. Sparky, come on, get on it.
It's a dog. It's not a monkey.
Two gents sitting there drinking our fancy little cocktails.
Being served by monkeys. Can we AI this?
All right, a toast. Cheers to a great night. Ah, you two are a riot.